How to copy a TikTok video link. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you on how you can actually copy a TikTok video link, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to copy a TikTok video link, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to basically launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch a TikTok app, let's say that there is a certain video for which you want to just go ahead and then copy the link off. It's very simple to do so. After you play or pause the video, you can tap the arrow icon from the bottom right of the screen. Once you tap the arrow icon from the bottom right, you should be able to see different sort of options from here. But then if you want to copy the link for this, right here you just need to scroll to the right at the second tab, and here you'll find this little link icon that says copy link. In case you don't find it, you can also scroll all the way to the right and tap the more option to find the copy link option. And after you've done that, you should be able to copy the URL for this TikTok video. This way you can copy a link of a TikTok video. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.